Hey there. In this quick video, we're going to cover how to create a coupon pop-up. Now, there's two ways to create a coupon type pop-up. And the first way is to actually create a coupon pop-up type. So I'll go ahead and say my new coupon pop-up, select the coupon pop-up type, click create here. And you can see that there's a section here for the coupon code. So what I'm going to do is go to the content section and click the coupon block. And I'm actually going to enter my coupon code here. Now, this coupon code should be something that you've already created in your Shopify store in the discount section. So if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do that. Once you've created that coupon code, go ahead and put the coupon code here. I'll click save here and we will preview this pop-up, and let's go ahead and just enter in an email. And you can see that the coupon is created and the user can now use the code. Now, the second way to create a coupon type pop-up is actually to have it be part of the thank you page after the user has selected to enter their email. So I'll go ahead and say my second pop-up, get subscribers, and I'm gonna go down here to conversion, and I'm gonna say, thanks for signing up. Here's your coupon code, 20 off. Perfect, so I'll save this one here, and now when I enter an email, the coupon code is displayed right here. So this covers two ways of creating a coupon in PopConvert. Let us know if you have any questions. As always, we've got our CS team on standby 24 hours, 7 days a week to help you out with any questions that you might have. Reach out to us and we should be getting back to you within a minute. Thanks.